Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've done several videos on seamless patterns. It's really easy. We have a rectangle that's 8 by 8. I've set my nudge factor on 8. We're going to take this bar right here and make sure it gets in the center, and then I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to do some of the bars first. So I'm just placing it in the center and moving it over. And then we'll put this big circle in the center, move it down. By moving it down, you know what, I like these two right in the middle. You can put them anywhere in the middle. Let's put a red, but I would always grab it from the center, then hit the plus key and move it over, just because you're duplicating it. Now let's use this. Whoop. What don't I have? Then you can just start moving stuff around. Doesn't matter what shape, doesn't matter what color. You know what, we'll rotate that 90 degrees. You probably don't want them touching. Don't want to move the box. Now, if you hold down the Alt key, it'll select that one without hitting the box. You know what, we could put another red one right there, hit the plus key and move it up. I'm almost got them filled up where there's almost going to be plenty of them. You could put them anywhere in the center. It doesn't matter where they're at. So let's call that good. I'm going to nudge my box out of the way, and I'm going to group these together. And then I'm going to go put it back, and I'm going to grab both of them. And I'm going to go intersect. And by doing that, I've got that. Now I'm going to look at it under wireframe. Yep, see, there's nothing hanging over. I don't have anything in the way. So go back to enhanced. Now, if you remember, and I don't ever delete anything, I move it over. These are grouped together. So now I have to do is hit the plus key and look at that. It'll make that pattern. And you just keep going forever and ever and ever. And you can hit the plus key. Now, if you want to make it like really, really big, just grab them all, hit the plus key, and go up 4 times. I'm going to go up 5. It's too many. But look at that. And then if you wanted to, you could group them together and then hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. I would move it out of the way. Let's make it black. Take away the outline, go up to object, order, back a page, and then move it back. And look at that. Pretty easy pattern. Seamless. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.